Hi, I'm Rara Gode, your AI singer from Indonesia. I'll show you how Cinema Studio 2.0 helps you create stunning cinematic visuals.
For the longest time, the biggest limitation of AI video wasn't the visuals, it wasn't the resolution, and it wasn't even the motion. It was the emotion.
AI could generate clips, animate scenes, and move cameras. But when it came to real emotional control, subtle expressions, performance direction, and cinematic timing, something always felt missing. It looked impressive, but it didn't feel like filmmaking. That changes today. Higgsfield has officially launched Cinema Studio 2.0. This might be the moment where the gap between AI clips and real cinematic storytelling finally closes. Just watch these examples. See how the speed transitions aren't abrupt? The motion doesn't just move, it flows. Speed ramping here isn't an afterthought added in post-production. It is controlled during the generation. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works, how to use it, and why this is one of the biggest upgrades in AI filmmaking right now. Let's dive in. When you land on the Higgsfield homepage, you'll see the interface is designed as a complete creative ecosystem. Under the Explore tab, you have sections for image, video, edit, character, vibe, and motion. But most importantly for today, we are looking at Cinema Studio. Let's click on that. Inside Cinema Studio 2.0, you have two core modes, image and video. We always start with image. Let's enter a simple prompt, a woman sitting on a park near the lake. Below the prompt box, you have full control. You can generate up to 4 images at once. For aspect ratio, you can choose the standard 16:9 or go for the ultra-wide cinematic 21:9. For resolution, you can go all the way up to 4K for maximum clarity and detail. I'll select 4K here. Before we generate, look at the grid feature. This lets you preview visual variations in layouts like 2x2, 3x3, or 4x4. This is essential for storyboarding your scene before you commit to animation. Now, consistency is critical. If you click the plus icon, you open reference elements. This allows you to create characters that stay visually stable across your entire project. You simply upload a reference image and name the character. Let's call him Rara. Describe him briefly and save it. Once created, you activate Rara inside your prompt simply by typing the @ symbol and selecting his name. This ensures he looks the same in every shot, which is vital for storytelling. Here is my favorite part: camera and lens control. Click the camera settings, and you aren't just an AI prompter anymore. You are a director of photography. You can choose formats like grand format 70mm film for that massive IMAX-style look. Then select your lens. I'll choose a premium modern prime. You can set the focal length to 35mm and even adjust the aperture to f4. By setting the aperture, you are controlling the depth of field, the framing, and the visual mood. Everything is set. Let's hit generate. Look at this results. The subject separation is clean, and the lighting is cinematic. It feels shot, not generated. When you hover over an image, you can download it or animate it. But we have 3 powerful tools here: 3D Scene, Multi-Shot, and What's Next. Let's click Multi-Shot. This feature automatically generates up to 9 completely different camera angles of the same scene. Instead of re-prompting manually, the system explores cinematic perspectives for you. If you like a frame, you can upscale it or use it as a reference for the next shot. Then we have What's Next. This doesn't just change angles,
It generates 8 different story directions based on your image. It's perfect for narrative inspiration when you have writer's block. Now, look at the 3D scene feature. Once this loads, you can literally step inside the frame. You can move the camera with your mouse, adjust the perspective, and even change the focal length. It feels like virtual cinematography. Once you find the perfect composition, click Capture Shot, and that frame is generated instantly. Press Escape to exit. With our hero frames ready, let's move to the video section. This opens the director panel.
Here, you can control camera movement styles and speed ramping. You can control the pacing manually or let the AI optimize it. You can also select your duration, anywhere from 3 seconds up to 12 seconds per generation. You have 3 main modes here. 1. Single shot, generates 1 cinematic clip. 2. Multi-shot auto, creates a sequence of connected shots from a single description. 3. Multi-shot manual, this gives you full control. You can build up to 6 separate scenes, write separate prompts for each, and adjust individual durations. It is essentially AI-powered storyboarding. For this test, I'll go with multi-shot auto. I'll paste my prompt and set the first frame using the image we just created. I'm selecting the 16:9 aspect ratio and 1080p resolution. Now, to dial in the vibe, you can choose a genre. You have options like action, horror, comedy, western, suspense, intimate, and spectacle. Let's experiment and select spectacle. You can also enable audio generation and set the batch size to generate up to 4 variations at once. Click Generate, and we wait. The results look incredible. Smooth motion, consistent framing, and cohesive storytelling. The link is in the description. Go explore what kind of film you can create with an infinite budget.